Hi there and welcome to the Farmer's Table. My name is Ian Tyson, avid home cook, and today with our Goldenhearts, we'll be making black and blue French fries. For today's recipe, this is what you will need. Keeping the skins on, cut the entire Goldenheart potato to a shoestring or thick cut French fry. Your call. Place the fries into a bowl of cold water and let sit for 2 hours. Drain the potatoes, place them on a baking sheet, and pat dry with a paper towel or kitchen towel. Heat a few inches of vegetable oil to 300 degrees on the stovetop. Put your Goldenhearts into the oil, in batches, cook until golden brown. Place into a bowl lined with a paper towel. Allow to drain and remove the paper towel. Toss in kosher salt and a generous amount of fresh ground black pepper. Grate your blue cheese right on top of the fries and toss it in. I recommend freezing your blue cheese for better grating. Plate and top with a little extra blue cheese. These fries will pair beautifully with a burger of any kind and just add a beautiful kick of salt and tart. Your family's going to love them. Thanks so much for watching The Farmer's Table. We'll see you next time with more Goldenheart recipes. Happy cooking.